the Whitsunday Islands. Definitely on my bucket list. This truly is a great vacation spot. I can finally say I am relaxed. But let's back it up a little bit and start from the beginning. We left Brisbane to fly up to PPP, Proserpine. It is definitely hotter here. And the adventure began. From there we would catch a ride to Airlie Beach. We're on vacation, man. This is vacation. We had a good chance to walk around and discover the town. It was a really cool city. We gotta check in for our exciting 3-day excursion.
She was built as a coal merchant ship, and now her job is to ferry us around the beautiful Whitsundays, so we're pretty lucky that she's still going.
When we arrived to the Marina, we had no idea what to expect. The crew was extremely nice, gave us the usual safety briefings, and then gave us our rooms as we sailed away into the dark of the night. This is exciting.
It is.
It's really cool.
It is very small.
The rooms are not that big. But who wants to be cooped up in a room all day when you have this waiting for you outside? It's day 1. We're in the Whitsundays. As the first day started, we just watched and we cruised through the Hook Island Pass. We're gonna tender off of this boat and head out to the island. At the first port of call, we took a small lifeboat ashore. Alright, we're going up to the hill Inlet Lookout point, looking out over Whitehaven Beach. I wonder why they call it Whitehaven. Done at the lookout, we're gonna head down to the beach and enjoy the beautiful water. It was hot and we were anxious to get down to the water and cool off. This, my friends, is Whitehaven Beach here in the Whitsundays. They gave us these stinger suits because there were tiny little jellyfish around this time of year. Although for some of us it might have been difficult to squeeze into. As soon as you hit the water, it felt great. The water's so warm. It's so nice. Oh. Look at this. As this perfect day at the beach went on, we hiked back across the island and got back onto the ship. Back on the ship, we're just sailing over to another spot and we're gonna do some snorkeling. We sailed away and headed off to a cove where there are no other boats, just us, so we could do a bit of snorkeling.
I ask myself, where have I been so long?
I want out. Something's done really wrong.
I ask myself, where have I been? It's been so long.
And although the snorkeling was pretty nice, it was hard to resist the call of the rope swing. Everyone got in on it and it was fun, almost like being a kid again. Then it was time to head off to our next destination. And just before dinner, we opened the sails and let the wind take us into the sunset. This was amazing. It's unreal out here. It is unreal. We love it. But got a long day tomorrow. See ya. Day 2. For me, this was more of an exciting day because it's my birthday today. It was my birthday. And everything was good. The weather was beautiful. Well, some parts of it. Thought I'd find you out here, Jan.
It's beautiful.
It's so beautiful. What a nice place to just relax, huh? Just after breakfast, we had some more fun on the rope swing. Some people showed off, while others, well... So the morning activity, we got to do some more snorkeling, but this time the tide was low and the fish were out. They were everywhere, and they were not scared to come and say hello. It showed us a glimpse into what the Great Barrier Reef had to offer. By lunchtime, we went back to the ship and sailed to another island. It's Black Island. It's my island. Each stop brought its own adventure and beauty. And as time went by, we got to enjoy another beautiful end. The cool breeze in your face as you kick back with your new friends and let the earth do what it does best, inspire. I got a surprise little cake and candle and a birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. You got to be really quick.
They really did make me feel special. Already I felt like I got the value for my money, and we still had one day to go.
You don't have to promise the world to me.
It's day 3. I'm still wearing the same swimsuit I've been wearing this whole trip, but I don't think anyone cared. Probably didn't even notice. We went to our next destination, which happened to be an isthmus. A small little sand barge that comes and goes with the tide. Now that I said isthmus, this little joke might make more sense. We get to spend most of the day on the beach, in the water, or discovering the island. But when the tide came in, there was not much more left to discover. The beach was gone. We set our sails and the wind took us back to the mainland, the real world. We weren't going very fast, but also we were not in a hurry. This is where I got to experience one of the most memorable parts of the trip, the net. This was crazy, climbing out while sailing with no safety harness, just the trust that the rope would hold. I couldn't fully describe the feeling. You just have to try it. As we got closer into the marina, we said our thanks and goodbye to the crew. The trip was now over. But all in all, this is one I would never forget. There was so much to do, but also a lot of time to kick back and relax. Bucket list, Whitsundays, tall ship, check. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.